Hello everybody, this is John and Glenn with BestPriceNutrition.com. Today we're going to be going over the ingredient ZMA, or ingredients, commonly known as ZMA. Glenn, why don't you give us a quick background of what ZMA is, and then we could run through some of the effects that people can expect from it, and whether or not it's a good supplement.
Yeah, ZMA is a group of ingredients that was created by Victor Conte, probably know him from Balco. All it stands for is zinc and magnesium aspartate. The ingredients are as follows: just zinc, magnesium, and then they add vitamin B6. And I believe that B6 is added in there possibly to help with the absorption of the zinc and magnesium. And the A standing for aspartate, they use zinc aspartate and magnesium aspartate, which is just essentially an aspartic acid attached to zinc and magnesium to help with absorption.
Yeah, so really this product became popular based on the idea that if you're deficient in zinc and magnesium, your testosterone and IGF-1 levels can suffer. And originally, Victor Conti and a colleague of his did some research, and they found that individuals who took this found an increase in free testosterone and IGF-1. The issue was, in another study that followed that up, was that there was no significant difference found between a control group and those that were taking ZMA. And the theory right now is, based on those two conflicting studies, is that the initial study was that people were deficient in zinc and magnesium levels, which means that that would hurt your testosterone and IGF-1 level. So by replacing those, that would get your production back up to normal. But otherwise, normal people probably wouldn't.
Yeah, if you're not deficient in zinc and magnesium, this isn't going to have any effect on your natural testosterone levels. But for people who are, it may serve a benefit in getting your natural production to where it should be.
Sure, because your body needs these minerals in order to perform those functions. Now, what is another effect of ZMA that you have found or heard?
I would say enhanced sleep quality, and I think mostly because of the fact of the magnesium. Magnesium is popular when taken at night to help with sleep. It does help regulate some sleep cycles, and there's a pretty good dose of magnesium inside here. Generally in ZMA supplements, you're getting around 450 milligrams for a male, and then they have a different dosage for females of around 300 milligrams. So that's a pretty high dosage of magnesium, and when taken before bed, it can help with sleep. Not as much getting to sleep, but more so staying asleep.
Get your REM cycles.
Yes.
And there's other products like Natural Calm and things like that have magnesium.
Natural Calm is a magnesium supplement popular for sleep.
Sure. And something with magnesium to always consider is that calcium can affect the absorption of magnesium. Or I'm sorry, zinc. It's zinc and calcium.
Zinc.
I apologize.
Yes.
Zinc. If you take the two together, sometimes calcium will kind of win out that battle in some sort of competitive inhibition. So another thing to consider with magnesium is there's certain forms that give people the urge to run to the bathroom, if you will. If you remember in the original Super Pump 250 and it'll explode.
Yeah, most of that's magnesium oxide, so they're smart by not using that ingredient. So in here you shouldn't have any effect with diarrhea.
Yeah, no, I've never heard that with this particular. As you said, it's the form that matters. I mentioned that just because people will say, oh, there's magnesium, that would be an issue. So, I mean, really the thing with this, based on those studies, is we'd kind of just say the jury is still out at this point. We'd like to see some more research to demonstrate the effectiveness or non-effectiveness of the product. So at this point, we just say it's kind of in that, jury's still out. We have to. It's a little too early to tell. So we'd like to see some more research. I mean, it's just a shame because it's been out for so long. You'd think you'd see more research on it, but
yeah, I would say more or less it's a glorified sleep supplement, something you might want to take before bed to help you get to sleep or regulate your sleep cycle.
Sure. Yeah, if we can, validate the effects on the endocrine system, with individuals who have normal levels of zinc and magnesium, then we could say, oh, okay, then this product is effective. We just don't know at this point. We'd have to see some more research due to the two actual peer-reviewed studies we found with the conflicting results. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comment section of the video or the blog. We're more than happy to answer them. Also, check us out on Facebook.com/BestPriceNutrition. Thank you.
Thank you.